My name is Alex Carlucci, breaking news with GustonShow.com. How's the coronavirus going to affect the housing market in 2020? Well, that's a loaded question that my people are asking me. So I think if the longer this goes, the worse the housing market's going to be. If this is short-lived, I think we can survive it, and only the demand for houses will be hit by just a little bit, like the people who work for airlines or restaurants that aren't working right now, obviously aren't looking for homes right now. So it will shop the demand curve no matter what. So I think you'll see less people looking, but I think the housing market was really, really hot. So I still think that plenty of homes are going to go for sale, and there's going to be plenty of buyers and sellers to meet. Now, if this goes on for 6 months to a year, I think that we'll have a serious issue with every industry, including the housing market. And you will see prices go down, and you will see interest rates stay down to keep the market alive. So I think it'll be really serious if this goes for 6 months to a year of a serious quarantining and industries just being shut down for that long. But if we get through this in a month or two, I think we can rebound pretty quickly. There will be still a demand shift down, like I said, but I think if you're a buyer of a house and you've got a job that's very secured and not affected by the coronavirus, and in the future it will not be affected, like if you work at a hospital, you might get some good value, some homes. And when we do recover, I think we're going to recover with vengeance. I think the stock market's going to go up with vengeance. I think everything's going to come back pretty hard. There's a lot of pent-up demand in the economy right now. People want to go out and spend money. People want to go out to the bars. They want to go out and drinking. I think a lot of people will go back to their lives with a vengeance. So let's keep an eye on the coronavirus and how long this is going to last. I'm hearing out of China that it's leveling off and maybe even declining. If that's true, I don't know what's true anymore. What I see on the news, this is true. What you're watching now, I'm not making this stuff up. So I'm not sure what's true out of China, what's on any of the news channels anymore. I don't know what everybody's saying is true. The Facebook is all these ads. I don't know. I'm getting confused. But if China's declining, that is the sign that everybody's looking for, is that they've got a hold on the virus, that it's declining in the amount of people that are getting it. So if they start to see that decline, that means that it's peaked in that area, and it's part of that bell curve that they talk about, and it's on the downswing, and that would be good news. So if that's true in China, whatever they did is segregating people or keeping them apart from each other, stop the growth of this virus. And we're doing somewhat of a good job here of keeping people instructed to stay at home. Yeah, people are still going to work on a smaller scale. A lot of people are working from home. If we curb that here and we stop it here quickly, I think we can avenge a lot of deaths in our country and a lot of people getting sick. So let's pray for everybody out there. And if you got any comments you want to make to this video, we'll try to get back to you as much as we can. Thank you very much. Bye.